Hi fam, welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for coming for another cleaning motivational video. So I'm gonna start off by preparing a little dinner, and towards the end of the night I am going to be doing some cleaning. I hope you find this video relaxing and motivating. If that's the case, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into the video.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. And give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
You guys, this is my go-to salad dressing. It tastes so amazing, even for someone that doesn't like eating salad. If you try this dressing, you're gonna love eating salad. I'm gonna have the complete recipe on my cooking channel, and that will be coming soon.
First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
Alright, so dinner was served and we all enjoyed our dinner, and we did had a little bit of desserts, some sorbet, and now I am just starting off by cleaning the dining, and then I'm gonna head into the kitchen.
The one I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a...
Tell me I'm not the only one that get tormented or feel restless going to bed and leaving behind a dirty kitchen. It keeps me nightmares, guys. It doesn't happen all the time, but 9 out of 10 my kitchen has to be clean before I go to bed, guys. Otherwise I'm just gonna be having some funny dreams. Tell me I'm not the only one, guys. Comment down below, let me get your own version of this, because I'm sure I'm not the only one. Let's interact, guys.
Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and...
Guys, comment down below and tell me if you do enjoy washing dishes by hand or you prefer the dishwasher. Well, from my side, I do try to fit as much or as far as the dishwasher can carry. I load it till to the maximum, and the rest of it I just wash it by hands, and also things that are not dishwasher friendly I do wash by hand. And I do actually enjoy washing things by hand. It's kind of a therapy. I don't know. Let's get your own point of view in the comment section down below, guys.
Give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
So typically our nighttime routine will be something like this. Once dinner is served, everyone has eaten, I will tackle the dishes and do the cleaning while my husband get the kids prepared and take them to sleep, or sometimes the other way around. On days when he's not around, I just do the kitchen, and at this time the kids will be having some digestion, playing around. And once the kitchen is clean, I'll take a break and get the kids to sleep, and then once they're in bed, come back and tackle the dining area. And no, the vacuum is not that loud, and also when you're upstairs you hardly hear noises downstairs, so that doesn't affect their sleeping or anything like that, because I close the main door to the dining, and that just do fine. And by the way, I have been enjoying using this vacuum. Before I thought, why does a vacuum need a light at the front? But I finally figured out why. You can actually see the dirt, like the tiniest of dirt, you will see it with that light in front of the vacuum. So yeah, this is absolutely practical. So it's officially going to 10 p.m. and this is why the footage is so dark, and I turned down all the windows down. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the family. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.